Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me, IndieAnnieJones. Today it's a Christmas quickie because I have a mini haul from Temu. Temu reached out to me and they asked me to do a little bit of shopping, so here is what I found. Temu reached out to me to make a small dedicated video, so here it goes. This is what I found. Now I have to explain that it's not like I can just shop anything I want. Sometimes they do allow that and other times they have specific items. So I was able to find this lovely little velvet pillow. I fell in love with this, and what I love about it is this soft pink color, perfect for shabby chic, and that it's velvet on both sides, and it has a beautiful hidden zipper, as you can see there, or as you cannot see because it's a hidden zipper. So there you have it. I really enjoy this, and I might include this in one of my videos coming up, like a shabby chic Christmas video perhaps coming up later this week. So again, I really enjoy buying pillows, pillowcases. The pillowcases that I've bought from Temu so far, I have not been disappointed. So I'm very happy to share that with you. But as I was explaining before, sometimes they give you a limited list of products and they wanted me to highlight crafting products more than anything else. So that's what you'll see here are some little crafting tools that I found. Like these bottles. I thought these bottles were perfect. I'm so glad that I found these because they also come with these little needle nose spouts or what have you. So for glue or paint or puffy paint or anything like that, that's perfect. Now Guru couldn't wait to see what else was next. So I had to wait until she got out of the bag to see what else was in the bag. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I loved this. Look at this. What a practical solution. And I think this is a wonderful gift if you know anyone that's crafty, because I am always losing my scissors. Now I do have one of those little metal trolleys with all of my crafting supplies, so that will be perfect. And the scissor is very good as well. Now look at this adorableness. I have always wanted to do felting. I don't know if you've heard of it. I've heard of it. I've seen it. I've been wanting to do this, but look at how adorable. It's a little Luna cat. I want to felt a little Luna cat, potato cat. It looks like a potato cat, but I'm looking forward to it. And I think Kudu was a little upset. That's okay, Kudu, because you're also represented. I found these cute little socks with black cats. I mean, isn't that perfect? What do you say, Kudu? Is that acceptable to you, even though I don't make a felted little potato kitty cat out of you? Would that be okay? I think it's adorable. I don't know if I'm going to keep these for myself or give them to someone else, but these are really cute little black cat socks. Speaking of socks, and I'm sorry if it's a little slow, but I decided just to go at normal pace instead of always rushing. I always feel like all my videos are rushing. Oh, these are not socks. What are these? Oh, look at these papers. Okay, so looking forward into the spring. Now I know this was supposed to be a Christmas haul, but to be honest with you, I have enough Christmas stuff. So I decided to start preparing for the next season, which is spring. And look at these beautiful shabby chic papers for all of the projects that I have in mind for spring. Do I have any projects in mind? No, I do have a shabby chic project or video coming up, but this really sparked my love for shabby chic once again. I think it's been lost between Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. A little bit of my shabby chicness has dwindled away, but not to worry, it shall be back, and just in time for spring. I think spring is the perfect season to go shabby chic, and winter and summer. I mean, let's face it, shabby chic goes everywhere. Speaking of shabby chic, look at these wonderful little colorful rosebuds. A small little pack of rosebuds will always come in handy. Now this, I don't know what drove me to buy this or to select this. I didn't buy it. This was sponsored by Temu, but it was on the list and I was like, hey, that's not a bad thing to have. So it's a stand so that you can cut glass bottles. But I also thought, ooh, this is a cool stand to even paint glass bottles, if you know what I mean. Something stable that I can paint them with. And of course, we have to have little kisses with Kudu. Such a cute little cat. So hopefully I can work with this and create something out of glass bottles. Lord knows there'll be a lot of glass bottles after the holidays because, the holidays. Oh, what is this? Oh, so they had some air dry clay and it says it dries in 24 hours. Now, I'm not a fan of this kind of air dry modeling clay. It's the heavy kind because it usually cracks, but I'll give it a try. Why not? Let's give it a try. Ah, there are the other pairs of socks that I saw. Yes, it's Jaws. My brother Manny loves Jaws, and I did get him a Jaws shirt from TEMU, and I thought this would be cute to add to his little Christmas gift. So that's Christmassy. I mean, it's not Christmas Jaws. What is this? Ooh, what is this? I forgot. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a very handy tool for any crafter. Look at this. All these razors, because I usually either lose my razors or my little cutters, and I just thought this was perfect to have around the house. Not just for crafting, but for anything. It's very, very useful. And here's one that I can always have. I want to have one at my desk at the office as well, because I do end up doing a little bit of crafting at the office. You know, they ask me for it. It's not like I'm doing it while I'm supposed to work. Usually at lunchtime, they'll ask me to do this. And this I thought was cute to have on my keychain. It's also a cutter, but it's like a little blade, but it's small and it's cute. And it's always good to have to open all those, you know, all those Amazon and TEMU packages that you'll be receiving this holiday season. So I thought that was cute. Oh, B7000, because you can't live without a little B7000. And again, I wanted to have some smaller bottles of it to have at work. Oh, this is very pretty. It's a very pretty crystal prism, because Manny, my brother, loves to collect them, and sometimes he hangs them on his tree. So I saw this. I was like, I was worried about Guru getting in there and getting hurt by something that was left behind, but luckily there was nothing else. That was the last item. So look at how beautiful, and I thought he would love to put this on his Christmas tree together with his other ornaments. And that is it for today. It's a quick, fun, fast little TEMU haul for all of you, so I hope you enjoyed it. So as Kuru gets into her TEMU bag, and by the way, I found out Kuru means come here in some language. So there, come here, Kuru, Kuru. Anyway, as she continues to explore within the bag that is empty, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day or rest of the week, and I hope to see you on Saturday. Many blessings to you all. And as I always say, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. But don't go sticking your head in any plastic sacks. That's not safe. Right, Kuru? No. She's out and she's safe. Take care, everyone.